Hello, in today's video we'll be going over the problem block game from the 2016 December Bronze contest, and so we'll just be going over the overall problem and also provide a hint to get you guys started. Alright, so the I guess the overall goal of this problem is to find the minimum number of wooden blocks which have a letter on them in order to spell out and fit all the requirements. So basically what this means is that Farmer John has n spelling boards and each n can be at most 100 and each spelling board has two sides, well, and each side has a word on it. And so Farmer John basically wants to have enough wooden blocks so that he can spell out any combination of the spelling boards um, with the letters he has. So if we look at the input, we have 3, and so that means he has 3 boards, and then the next n lines, or the next 3 lines, will each have 2 strings in them. So the first line we have fox and box, so this means on one side of the board there is the word fox, and the other there is the word box. And this goes on for dog and cat and car and bus. So what Farmer John wants to do is have enough letter blocks so that no matter which way the boards are facing, he can spell all of them out with his wooden blocks. So yeah, let's just I guess take a closer look. So we have this input right here. And so let's just I guess simulate what might happen. So let's say we have this board flipped to have fox on the top, and then we have cat. The second board has cat on the top, and the third board has bus. Then what this requires is for the letter F we need 1, for the letter O we need 1, for the letter X we need 1, the letter C we need 1, A 1, T 1, B 1, U 1, S 1. So we need one, I guess, wooden block for each of these letters to be able to spell out fox, cat, and bus. And yeah, so we basically want to do something like this, but for every single combination of boards. So this might be, um, instead we might have fox, dog, and car. And so what this might require is F1, O1, X1, B1, and then O now we need 2. And then G1, C1, A1, and R1. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna basically we have to do this for every single combination. And so I guess the first hint is I guess let's like simplify the problem where the question only involves one set, I guess, or one board where let's say we have fox and box. So if we take a look at the word fox, we need one F, we need one O, and one X. Now, if we have box, we need one B, one O, and one X. So we don't know which way it's going to be facing. So we want to make sure that we have enough letters so that even if it's fox or even if it's box, we can spell both of them out. So that means we need at least one F because, you know, if we don't have an F, we can't spell fox. And then we need one O and one X. And we also need at least one B. And this goes on. So if we think about it, what we're effectively doing is, I guess you could think of it as having an array from 0 to 25. And so each one index corresponds to the letter. And then for each word we keep track of how many we need. So in this case, for fox A, we need 0, and then it goes on. F, we need 1, O, we need 1, and X, we need 1. And then we do the same for box, where B, oh, sorry, B, we need 1, O, we need 1, and X, we need 1. And so given this, what we can now do is just take the maximum between each of these. And so by doing so, we're guaranteed that we have enough letters to spell out both of the words, no matter which way it's flipped. So if we're just looking at the case we have here, oh, what happened? Sorry about that. Okay, if we're taking a look at the case we have um, here, then we need one F, I guess one B, one O, and one X. And yeah, so O and X, even though they're present in both of them, we only need one because the maximum between them is 1. And yeah, so I guess the first hint for this question is, um, simplifying the problem to have just one board with 2 words, and then trying to see how you can um, obtain the number of letters needed in order to spell both sides. And yeah, so that's the first hint. I recommend you guys try it, and I'll go over the solution in the next video. Thank you for watching.